Okay, today I'm going to do like a natural look. So yeah, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into moisturizing my face. My skin is really dry, so I really do need this. So the cream that I'm using is called Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. It's for intense hydration for dry, parched skin. So here I'm using my LA Colors brow palette in the color medium. I'm just going to use this to shade in my brows. I got this from the dollar store for literally $1. Okay, so to outline my brows, I'm just going to use the Urban Decay brow beater in the color dark brown. I love, love, love this stuff. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to use the dark brown and the black and mix it together to fill in my brows. It just gives it a nice looking color, and like I said, this palette is the LA Colors brow palette in the color medium. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer Light Ivory, and this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer Cool Tan. So what I'm going to do here is just use an angled brush, and I'm going to mix the two LA Girl Pro Concealers, so the Light Ivory and the Cool Tan together. It just gives it a natural look. Okay, and then now I'm just going to use my blending brush to just blend out the concealer. Alright, bitches back in the early 2000s and shit. But yeah, though, I am about to start with this palette. It is called B by BH Cosmetics. You can see that. I love this palette. It is so cute. It has 12 colors. And this is what it has in it. But yeah, though. So I'm just gonna take this color as a y'all can't see me. So I'm gonna take this color Optimistic as a transition shade. So the brush that I'm going to use is a Wet n Wild brush, and it's the blending brush. It only costs $1.
put it on my lid and cut that crease, girl.
This color right here. And I'm just gonna apply it with this brush. Like, just really sit it there, you know? I'm just go ahead and use Inspired. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just putting on the concealer before I put on my foundation and do my highlight and contour. And I do this because it seems like my bags are always peeking out and I don't want them to do that. So that's why I take this extra step here. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's just something that I do. I'm just about to go ahead and put on my foundation. So I have this small thing, and this came from Ipsy too. It is Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I'm definitely gonna buy this. What color is this? Oh, it's in Y445. So yeah, so I put this on. Now with this, I actually apply it with my foundation brush. So it's the Sephora Pro Foundation Brush, the number 47. You can see it. Yes. Okay, so I take my blending brush and I just go over everything that I just did, and I kind of just blend shit in. Okay, so right here what I'm doing is I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Light Ivory, and I'm just highlighting my face. I don't know which one really works best for me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm going to set my cream contour, and I'm actually going to use my Laura Mercier to set my highlight. So apparently I'm going to take the Laura Mercier first and set my highlight, then set my contour. So now that I'm done with setting my highlight, I'm going to go in with that contouring palette and I'm going to set the cream contour. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here is I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild powder brush, which only costs $1 as well, and just wipe away the excess powder. Now this here is a blush that I got from Tarte, and it actually came in that Ipsy subscription bag too. It's a blush called Parte, and it is very pretty. I'm just going to use the same powder brush and just put that on my cheeks very lightly.
This lipstick is from, I don't know, I have no idea. I got this from the Ipsy bag that I was telling you about. Lara Tizzy Cosmetics, something like that. I'll just put it in the description box below, but it's the color Nudes, whatever.
So I just went ahead and did my eyeliner off camera accidentally, but here I'm just adding the mascara on. It's called Mad Lash. Okay, so now I'm just taking highlighter and just adding it on my brow bone to make the eyeshadow pop. Okay, so here I'm just going to spray my finishing spray, and it's going to be the matte finish spray by NYX. Okay, here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back with another video. Just comment below and tell me what other videos you would like to see or what you would like to know. Thank you.